little bit of a misunderstanding with Ben, the organiser. So I brought one talk and 3 demos, and he gave me 3 talks. So I'm gonna whiz really quickly through this and cover some of the stuff that I also covered earlier on. And then you'd be very welcome to come downstairs and have a look at the demos actually set up and running on the table that's in that sort of corner there. You're going to go there anyway because it's near the cake. So I've got a lot of traffic like that. So we're doing a bunch of projects with the Pi, obviously, and collecting them on a site called pi.gate.ac.uk. A lot of them have in common the need for some kind of battery supply, mobile stuff. So over time we decided we'd design a new add-on board for the Pi, and this is the second prototype run that I have here. It's intended to make it easier to use batteries with the Pi from a number of perspectives, and safer to use the battery. So when the battery starts running out, it'll notify a daemon that's running on the main Pi operating system and shut down cleaning unless you replace the battery. You can use commodity AA batteries. You don't need a special power supply because there's regulation. And you can do hot swaps, so if you're busy working and your battery pack runs out, you can plug in another supply, like your car cigarette lighter or another battery pack, and so on and so forth. And it also has a little power button there for shutting down the Pi cleanly. One of the projects that we've been using this for is this thing. This is a Pi brush, so it's got little gizmo attached there called an X-Low board. It's a little add-on board for the Pi. It costs about £9, I think. And it's got an accelerometer in it. So when you wave it around like this, there's this flood of data that gets shoved along the I2C bus and into the GPIO pins of the Pi. So this is a little client board, client Pi. When you wave it around, it transmits the flow of positional data from the accelerometer over the Wi-Fi, and then there's a server sitting attached to a machine which is downstairs, unfortunately, and it's got some code that makes it operate like a paintbrush. So conceptually, you've got a big blob of paint on your paintbrush, and you go like this, and it splashes all over the screen, and you end up something a bit like a Jackson Pollock picture from the 1960s. So that's running the battery stuff. Come downstairs and have a play with it. Various other projects we've got running, and you'll find them on pi.gate.ac.uk. Thank you.
Any questions?
A couple of minutes for questions. Everybody?
A couple of minutes. Any questions? Yes. Now, you've explained it so well, nobody's got a question. Thank you very much.